What's up? My name is Juan. I'm one of the content creators here at Gorilla LED Trucks, and today I want to show you a behind the scenes look to show a little of what it is that we do here at Gorilla LED Trucks. So without any further ado, let's go.
Hey guys, my name is George and I'm one of the content creators here at Gorilla LED.
What up guys, my name's Julio and I'm part of the content creation team. Let's go.
Hey guys, I'm Brian from Gorilla LED and I do graphic design and creative branding.
Hey guys, I'm Caesar from Gorilla LED and I'm the 3D artist.
Hi, my name is Yanere from Gorilla LED Trucks and I am the administrative coordinator.
Hi, my name is Ziri. I am the project manager for Gorilla LED Trucks and I manage these.
Wait, after the tortillas.
Come on. Two and go.
To get me to Cabo and send him to Cabo. Oh god, this is funny stuff right here.